So I have a bag. It has gear in it. A lot of actually really cool gear that I use frequently to get some creative, fun shots for my reviews. But you know, sometimes I get lazy and I don't want to use all of that stuff. And that's why I want to share this dirty little secret with you. So here we go, 30-second Thursday, to tell you the 3 things that I use when I'm feeling a little bit lazy. I use the GoPro, I use a selfie stick, and I use the Wind Slayer. Because as you can tell, the built-in microphones on the GoPro actually sound pretty good. And when you use the Wind Slayer, you basically block out all of that wind noise. I've done full reviews with just this setup. And if you look at that video that I did last time, you could see the backpack on me. That was full of gear. I thought I was gonna be using all of it, and all I used was the GoPro Wind Slayer and selfie stick. And this way it also kind of forces you to get creative with your GoPro and get the shots that you need, because as important as it is to do these reviews, sometimes it's more important to also enjoy the adventure of it, enjoy the journey, enjoy creating it. So listen, you can have a bag full of goodies. I'm not here to judge you because I have that as well. I just wanted to give you this little tip, this little bit of advice just to tell you, hey, you might not need all of that really expensive stuff. You just get yourself this little setup right here. And I'll put the links to everything down in the description, even the links to everything that's in the bag, if you want to check that out. The Wind Slayer itself is only like $10 for 2 of them. So you can't go wrong with that. Okay, that's it for me. Time is up, and that's another 30-second Thursday. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit one of these buttons right here. That would be awesome. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.